The SchuLink wireless battery monitor. We purchased it on Amazon. This is the unboxing video. We also purchased this to work with our water pump system to monitor the battery power since the battery's solar charged. There's the manual. Looks like it comes with 2 zip ties. The SchuLink monitoring device, and battery quick connection cables. I believe they're SAE connection cables. And this one was purchased because it works with the Wi-Fi, so you can check it from anywhere, whereas a lot of the other products on Amazon only offer Bluetooth. And yep, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.